Lower number on one and lower number on the last one. It's the first and the last hole.
What's that? Just tires. Gone.
What?
Is that really necessary? Oh, 6, 7,
6:14. That's an hour and a half.
What?
Yeah. Till 6:14. That's an hour and a half. Oh, here comes the wind, guys.
Yeah, see.
If you're scared, just go back. Kind of.
Where you need to be if you're scared is in the runway.
Yeah.
No windows.
Pretty much if you were in school, you would be against that law in your position. So.
You wanna go over here?
I might have to come with you. It's kind of.
Yeah, Mom, you said that as long as the storm is like bad, there should be no tornadoes.
Tornadoes are kind of crazy. They'll kind of come whenever.
Look, baby, look what I did. No, not yet. Now I do.
I gotta hope our tree over here doesn't go down. If it does, I hope it goes that way.
Yeah, not in your bedroom.
Not into my bedroom. How about if it comes this way, come all the way to the living room so that tree will go straight.
Sleepover! You already have your sleepover.
Hey, now look it. Now it's a little calm down. Isn't that weird?
No, it hasn't.
No, the wind.
The wind has.
Hey.
Okay, you going over there?
I'm coming. No, I'm not going over there.
He's just grabbing you. Who's that guy?
It's been a long time since I've seen it. You okay to see how it's going?
We're fixing a lot and drinking.
Just go over there. Sit down in the backyard.
Thanks.
With a metal pole in your hand.
Yeah.
The bat.
And then too. There's no place like home. Because I was starting to drink it. What?